Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ulat gajala UCH Vijaya Shankar haka artarik unai lur ahja arpasa ula Pynkup Burom iki Khynnah Ïalehkai ka Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School kibalala banwan rak Burom iki jalahi barok kawai dak barak ya ka nam Lahduh haka under 15 jong ka 63rd Subrotocup International Football Tournament ahja arpasa ya kani la penlong haka jilang ka balalong haraj bhawan haka beladon lang Menteri rangba ka jala ukan rat ke sangma kumju Menteri badi khmi ya ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs uba syakliar Nongjri UMLA bat MDC ke Mauhati uba Charles Marngar bat ubadai artat chairman jong ke managing committee ke school nalor ki weipat hakani ke sengi ulat ula IT ke cek ke balong shilak shihajar nangta ke sernot ke school manager bat kumju ya coach lembat kisong ais ngobha hakate ke jinga kun final ke balong hak arpu pratarik unailar ahjar pesau Bangalore ke Nongjri kalala ban penliam ke Major Dhyan Chand Sports College ke bana Uttar Pradesh dalai ko lanot laban penken mau ke Nongjri Presbyterian ke bana Ribhoi district kalala ban penliam ke Bangladesh Krira Shiksha Pratistan da arko la iwei haka semi final kumju haka quarter final kalala ban penliam ke Army Boys Company da arko lanot haki Ïalehkai group ke Nongjri kalala ban penliam ke Sri Lanka da hendru ko lanot hadian kala job da kal walk over ya ke Khynnah Ïalehkai ke bana Madhya Pradesh ke bala syaweng no na kadau bakal penmi da ki Khynnah Ïalehkai ki bapalat ya ke Karta balabu kumju da hanyo ko lanot ya ke International School Sports Organization bat hadian da praku lanot ya ke Dadra and Nagar Haveli Andaman and Diu.
May I request team captain, team manager and team coach for collecting mementos and check. Name bala Nongjri. A. Samma. Sri Jeffrey Warlopi, team manager. Ïalehkai Rospevel Vintong. Richmond Lacon. Ïalehkai Shingle. Frankie Kharkra.
Make it more colorful.
Dasut Banbrang. Mark R. Marak. Nangsamba
Just a little history of the game that we played in the Subrotocup. In the first match we played against Sri Lanka, we beat them by 6 goals. Then second match we played against the International Sports School Organization, we beat them by 7 goals. Then we beat Daman and Diu by 8 goals. Then in the quarterfinal we played against the Army Boys. We beat them 2-0. Then in the semi-final we beat Bangladesh School by 2-1. But in the final we beat Uttar Pradesh by 3-0. So out of all these matches that we played, I think the very tough match that we played was the match we played in the semi-final against Bangladesh team. We really had a tough fight on that match. But somehow my boys, they don't give up the fight, and they just give and they put on the spirit, and they didn't stop fighting, and then they played up to the last whistle. So that's why we I think, after we win the semi-final. So for me, semi-final is almost a tough match. It's a very difficult challenge. But I hope like that all the time. So I used to tell my boys also, semi-final is always the different challenge. So you need to give everything you have. And also now after that, then like when we play in the final, it's always like the same story. Like we used to win all the time. So with this, I think I will conclude my speech. Thank you.
That is the most. And this felicitation program will not only boost the morale, but I do believe that the recognition that they have given from the Raj Bhavan and your leadership, sir, will also motivate them to work harder and harder day by day, and to be dedicated to work hard and then to achieve high goals in life. I would also like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, for sparing, quote unquote, like our Honorable Minister or Honorable Chief Minister used to say from time to time, that we believe in the youths of our state. The youths are the future of our state and are the future of our country. And we do believe that if we invest in them, then we will see a brighter Meghalaya. So like I said, the government is working tirelessly, working hard to ensure that the talents that our youths have, the achievements that they've brought for our state, that their achievements will not go unnoticed. That the government will recognize, and then we will keep working hard to make sure that in the years to come, the time to come, that we will see more and more athletes bringing medals for our state. And indeed, like the team manager has just spoken, that the journey to winning this Subrotocup may have not been a smooth sailing journey, but I do believe that through hardships, through dedication and hard work, the entire team, the hard work of the coaching team, the staff members of the coaching team, the teamwork that they've put in, that they've been able to bring medals for our state. Indeed, it's a very, very happy moment for our state as a whole. And I do, like I said, I do believe that in the times and years to come,
job jungnya peraman untuk COP 15 senam belum sah jikuman ini bro kantam ni Nongjri Presbyterian School berunjuk lagi Nongjri berunjuk berdia ke di boy bro away nor berdia kesir berikong school dari boy yang ya champion Subrotocup. Di kiik bangsa Indonesia din dengan try nomor i bak pentre di coach dan bahawa ke akademi gede Nongjri di katum gejingi penbet dengan try kinang mi ko ni nang klan susu ya dengan akademi but kena ibon gende kena ibon le school ko Nongjri
bapun kre ba hadin ba fiyo panra ya ka state level nandi but misoto kene jipon kre uji hadin ba fira di state level ta
yo champion nanti ko Bangalore ngam ta ke chong ka na 15 ke benengkong ngimla kun dai ngu yo play alam ni ngandu bangimi na ka jela hadu ate ka benda ke jingya nanti ke jongi ke ba ni lamat ni ya ki bapun ki jing ki bungi kendo nandu ka practice ka jaka kilanat jongi dan anta danda rangi lapoi sa state level nama ba de jing arab jongi Sir Jeffrey Walapi andang ila poisa ka international level ro di mi hiba lai arab yangi naka poisa por ban yalam ya kene ketim andrei ilong mi ku musabi bala ban yalam ya ka tim riboy jungi ban wan state bat kunjuru syati international yang ngamla tunda ai ku blei bat kunjuru ya sa bobi ibla pendit pendiang nang ta jongka state level ro tamta ka practice jungi bat hadu kene ka bangi poisi du international level ro ka dari perut ni terus kala pendit pendiang na du ka kasa di ki bangi dan nang la poisi du da ka susunan ka kau ba kena baro lạ Ïalehkai bah kumba ke ke bah Ïalehkai ni ikai ke hamadan lạ le kata ke jing prestom jengki ke jing prestom lang jemi bat manager balong kumong ai bayalam ini di dalam ini jenis sujud tak ada ubah kau bakatim jemi ka long ini balong champion tak kena kasna
Akhirnya kita jing